What is an e-passport? Good morning, everyone. Today we are diving into a pivotal moment for Indian international travel, the e-passport. This initiative represents India's significant leap into the world of digital documentation, promising advanced security and a far more seamless immigration experience for all citizens traveling abroad. Overview. To begin, let's establish a solid understanding of what this next-generation passport is and how it fundamentally differs from the traditional booklet we are all familiar with. What is an e-passport? At its core, an e-passport is a traditional booklet embedded with a sophisticated electronic microprocessor chip. This small but powerful component digitally duplicates all the printed biographical data, and crucially, stores highly secure biometric information. It serves as an unforgeable digital signature, guaranteeing the document's authenticity and integrity. Key features. The e-passport's power lies in two key features. First, biometric data integration, storing irrefutable identifiers such as fingerprints or iris scans to drastically reduce identity fraud. Second, the secure electronic chip itself, cryptographically signed and tamper-proof. Any physical or digital alteration instantly flags the document as invalid. How it works. The process is straightforward and fast. Personal details and biometric data are securely encoded onto the chip during the issuance process. At an immigration counter, a scanner performs a contactless read using wireless technology like RFID. Finally, the system executes rapid verification, matching the chip's digital biometrics against the traveler for instant identity confirmation. Government vision. This move aligns perfectly with the government's strategic vision. As stated by the Ministry of External Affairs, the use of radio frequency identification and biometrics is intended to ensure secure and seamless passage for Indians globally. This is a commitment to both national security and citizen convenience. Enhanced security. The emphasis on the e-passport is primarily a security measure. It acts as a fortress against fraud. The chip's cryptographic signature ensures total data integrity, making identity theft and passport forgery exceptionally difficult, thereby protecting both national interests and the traveling citizen. Immigration processing speed, seconds. One of the most tangible benefits for travelers is speed. While a traditional passport check can take up to 60 seconds, a manual e-passport scan is halved to 30 seconds. Crucially, the implementation of e-gates, enabled by this technology, brings processing down to approximately 10 seconds, accelerating border control by over 80%. Traditional versus e-passport. To summarize the key differences, the e-passport moves beyond simple printed data to include an electronic chip, upgrades security from simple watermarks to digital encryption and biometrics, and replaces visual inspection with automated digital scans, resulting in an extremely high level of tamper resistance. Technology and infrastructure. Such a massive technological upgrade requires robust infrastructure. Key partners include TCS for data handling and center management, NIC and IIT Kanpur for technological development and chip design, and the India Security Press, responsible for the secure, high-tech manufacturing of the physical document. Rollout roadmap. India has followed a measured rollout roadmap. After a diplomatic launch in 2008, the public announcement came in 2019. The project gained momentum with budgetary allocation and pilot phases in 2022 and 2023. setting the stage for a significant phased public rollout beginning in the 2024 to 2025 period. Questions. The e-passport is a leap forward for India, combining world-class security with traveler convenience. Thank you for your time. I am now open to any questions you may have about the project.